How to get a divorce in San Diego without going to court. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the most common questions I hear from people starting the divorce process is, do I have to go to court? And the good news is, you don't. In fact, most divorces in San Diego County can be completed entirely outside of a courtroom, especially if both parties are cooperative. I'll explain how to get divorced in San Diego without ever stepping foot in court. The key is having an uncontested divorce, meaning both spouses agree on the terms, like how to divide assets, whether support will be paid, and, if you have children, custody and visitation arrangements. If you and your spouse are on the same page, you can complete the entire process through paperwork and electronic filing. No hearings, no court dates, no drama. Here's how it works. We begin by filing your divorce petition electronically with the San Diego court system. Once that's done, your spouse either gets served or signs a notice and acknowledgement of receipt to confirm they've received the paperwork. This starts the 6-month waiting period required under California law. Next, we help both parties complete their financial disclosures, which is a necessary step in every case, even if everything is agreed to. Then we prepare your marital settlement agreement outlining all the terms of your divorce. Once everything is signed, we submit your judgment package electronically for court approval. If all forms are completed accurately and your agreement is clear, your divorce is approved, no appearance required. We recently helped a San Diego couple finalize their divorce in just over 6 weeks. They never had to leave their homes, and we handled everything from filing to final approval digitally. They were relieved to skip court and move forward without unnecessary stress. At Divorce661, this is what we do best. We specialize in amicable, court-free divorces across California, including San Diego County. We take care of the entire process so you can focus on moving forward without the anxiety of courtrooms or confusing legal steps. If you're ready to get divorced without going to court, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you handle the paperwork, protect your interests, and complete the process quickly and affordably without stepping foot in a courtroom.